Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this device. Now, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. And from there, all you need to do is press power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, you get this pop-up with edit, share, or share, I believe. What was the other option? Google Lens and delete options. And after a moment, it just disappears on its own. Now, once the image disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. As you can see right here, we are in the Photos tab right here, and it's right at the top. So those are the two screenshots. Now, one more thing that I'll add is you can see that it is named right here, screenshots. So if you're later on struggling with finding it, you could just search it by albums, which everything that is screenshot related will be in screenshots album. And if you can't find it for some reason, because I don't see really the album tab right here, maybe if I have more categories here, not just screen recordings and screenshots, it would appear with it. But if you can't find it because it's the default way for some reason, then you can just pop in a screenshot and it should appear right at the top and give you a quick way to find it anyway. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.